Hello, hello. Greetings from Slovenia. I would say again Ljubljana, but I have to tell you that at the moment I'm in the suburbs of Ljubljana. Namely, it's a beautiful summer day. And look, I decided to go for a hike to the church called St. Anne's Church, because from here we have marvelous view all around the, let's say, the regional park of Ljubljana Marshes. So right behind me, that's going to be the most western part of Ljubljana's marshes. That's the direction, let's say, to Italy. And then if we are turning slightly towards northwest, that would be direction to Julian Alps. Most probably you heard of lakes, glacier lakes, Bled, Bohinj, the highest peak in Slovenia, that's Triglav, so that's this part. And then if I slightly turn around again, then you're going to see already the northern part of Slovenia, and the peaks behind me that you can see, they are not covered with snow, just the limestone. It's white, that's why you can see it as white snowy peaks. That's already border with Austria. And then if we slightly turn towards, let's say, east, northeast, something like that, in the distance you're going to see already the capital of Ljubljana. So all this area belongs to the region, to the central region of Slovenia, and of course the most important city is Ljubljana. However, we locals, whenever we have a chance, we like to go for a short hike, and today I chose really a short one, just 15 minutes, and look what a beautiful view I have. Have a look to this region below me. Maybe you notice there is a river. We call it Ljubljanica, or the river with 7 names. In one of the other live videos I'm going to tell you the reason why 7 names. Anyway, this river flows towards our capital. It's pretty slow because the whole area is flat. It's rich on water. And Maria Theresa, you know, the Austrian empress, she saw this area and she said, oh, the area would be gorgeous for my people. That could be a very good wheat field, so no people will be hungry anymore in my area. So at the end of 18th century, they decided to make a canal. This is now Grubarjev Canal, Grubar Channel. We've seen it the other day when we were on a canoe, and that's how they wanted, let's say, to dry the area. However, limestone terrain, this part of Slovenia, that's very difficult to dry out because water is coming from all parts of the area. So they were not so successful. And maybe today we are even more happy because this is the most southern marshland in Europe, and it's protected. Since 2004, this is protected. It's included in the European program, Nature 2000. And it's also our regional park. So when you are in Ljubljana, make sure you will have one afternoon or one morning just for this regional park of Ljubljana's marshes. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.